it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for something to keep your toes so warm and cozy, you need to check out a pair of electric socks from Save Your Heat. These have been saviors for my feet because I deal with chronically cold toes. I have to be outside a lot, and getting cold feet can really just ruin your day right off the bat. I've worn these outside when it's been 36 degrees with a chill factor, just inside a pair of my regular knee-high boots, and they have kept my feet so nice and toasty warm. I love that they come up to just below my knee. I'm 5'4", and I wear a size 7.5 women's shoe. These are a size small. They're snug and well fitted, but not tight, and the sock itself is a good thickness. It fits inside all of my shoes without making them uncomfortable. Now the heat on this is going to radiate from about the middle part of your foot on the top around your toes to the middle part underneath. But the rest of your foot definitely gets nice and warm. The battery pack charges quickly and it lasts me for a couple different all-day sessions. Now, I generally keep this on hot when I first put them on, and then I'll regulate it throughout the day. Sometimes I do wear these over a pair of tights if I have a skirt on, and I found that they are still comfortable to go up and over that. I hand washed these in my sink with a little bit of Castile soap, kind of scrubbed them together a bit, and then I did hang them up to dry. You really need these. I can't live without them, and that's my point of view.